Before we begin, please press the subscribe button and turn on notification bell to be the first to get notified each time I release new interesting videos on days, and smash the like button. God bless you.
Hello, welcome back to my next video. Good evening, good afternoon, good morning. I'm welcoming you back to my new video on CashBird. Right in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make $1,000 with your CashBird app. If you have not joined this legit paying app, I want you to jump right into I want you to get the link, the sign up link in the video description, or meet the person that sent this video guide to you and start making money with this app. It's a legit paying app. It's just like TikTok, and it's going to pay you for completing simple tasks. Now I'm going to show you the 3 simple steps that you can follow, that you can use to make $1,000 every month. That's $750K every month using this legit paying app. Now this app is just like TikTok. The difference between this app and TikTok is that this app will start paying you immediately. Immediately you sign up and you are completing tasks, it will start paying you. You don't need to wait. As you can see right now, for every single person that joins your CashBird network, the app pays you 600 naira, which is about $1. So I want you to jump into this update. Don't joke about my steps. Follow my steps. I've just joined this app just within in less than 24 hours, about a few hours ago, and as you can see, I've already earned 4,060 naira in my Wheel of Fortunes, and this amount I can withdraw. You withdraw every single cent to your bank or PayPal account. So I want you to get serious on this update. Don't joke with all my steps. Follow my steps and get the rewards. Follow my step and get paid. I want you to know that you can be making $1,000 every month on this app, using this app. Now if you have signed up on this app, the first thing you may want to do is to claim your reward. So if you have not gotten your sign up reward, which is 20,000 CashBird diamonds, this is how to claim your reward. Go to the earn page. Come to the earn page here. Scroll down the tax board. You will find one of the tax board here that says enter referral code. Now click on the get button. Once you click on the get button, enter the referral code of the person that sent this video to you, or if you don't have an inviter, check my video description below. You will see my invite code. Make sure you copy my invite code and paste it in the option that says referral code, and as soon as you click on submit, you will get 20,000 CashBird diamonds coin. And that alone, that's the first thing I want you to do. But if you have already gotten the coin, there's no need to do that, because if you click on the enter referral code, it will be unclickable. So now let's get into the step of how to make $1,000 every month. That is about 750,000 naira every month using CashBird. So the first thing you want to do is to go to the invite friends section by clicking on invite. You click on invite here. Now let's do the math. The number of people, like I told you in my previous video, that you need to build your network. Your network is your net worth. Like I've just joined this app in less than 24 hours ago, and about 36 people have joined my network. Now the number of people, the minimum number of people I recommend that you build in your network to start making $1,000 every month is 100 people. So how do you get 100 people to join your network? It's very simple. Just build a group, create a group. Create a WhatsApp group or a Facebook group or a Telegram group, anyone that you are convenient with. Create a group, invite people to join your group. When you invite 100 people to join your WhatsApp group, share my video to them, drop this video to them and share your invite link. How do you get your invite link? It's very simple. How to get your invite link? This is how to get your invite link. You come over here, you click on invite. So you can manually get your invite link by clicking on more here. You click on more button. Click on more button. It's going to open your invite link where you will manually copy your invite link, and then you can manually share. You can see it says share. So once you come here, just click on copy here. So that will enable you to manually copy your invite link for you to share. So right now, send this invite link, share it with your WhatsApp group. Make sure that there are 100 people minimum in your WhatsApp group. So as soon as you share this invite link with your WhatsApp group or your Telegram group, they will start joining and they will be watching my video. Make sure you copy my video link and share my video link to them. When you share this video with them, this video guide, they will follow the step-by-step strategy, the step-by-step strategy they need to do to start making $1,000 every month, which is about $750K. Now, the first thing, the step one that you need to do is to build your network. Like I told you, your network is your network. What that means is that the number of people that are using this app, that download this app and are using it with your link, that join this app with your link, CashBird with your link, are going to be earning you lots of money. All right, guys, let's look at how much you're going to make when 100 people joins this app. Okay, let's go to the compensation plan. Now, when one person joins, you're going to make 10,000 CashBird coins. So when 100 people join, you are going to make 1 million CashBird diamonds. So right now, let's convert these 1 million CashBird diamonds into dollars and naira. So right now, to convert this, there are about for 4.5 million CashBird diamonds, you are going to be making 4.5 million CashBird diamonds is currently worth 3,000 naira. So that is 3,000 naira, and 3,000 naira is equivalent to about $4. All right, so 3,000 naira is equivalent to $4. So if you make 1 million CashBird diamonds, that is going to be 6,150 naira, which is equivalent to $8.2 from this app every day. So you can do the same. All right, guys. So when 100 people join your CashBird network, you are going to be making 600 naira from each and every one of them. So if you multiply 600 naira times 100 people, so that is just about 600. That's about 60,000 naira that you're going to make from 100 people. So right now, let's look at how much your network is going to generate you in net worth. How much your network is going to generate for you when 100 people joins your network. They are going to invite 100 people. So that means you are going to be having 100 times 100, which is 10,000 people in your level 1. So 10,000 people in your level, in your direct level is 100 people. In your level 2, which is 10,000 people. So now in your level 2, you are going to be earning 5% from all their activities. All their coins accumulation, you are going to be earning 5% of their coins. So that means for each and every one of these people in your second level that claims their 20,000 coins, you are going to be making 1,000 coins. And when from your direct downline already, you are going to be making 10,000 coins. So right now, we're going to calculate how much you are going to be making when 10,000 people join your network. So first of all, let's see how much you're going to be making when 100 people join your network. This is what you're going to be making when 100 people join your network. Let's go to our income calculator and see how much you're going to be making when 100 people joins your CashBird network. All right, guys. So right now, so once 100 people joins your CashBird network, this is what you are going to be making times 100 times 600 naira, which is 60,000 naira. And already in your level 2, by the time these 100 people invite their 100, your network is going to grow up to 10,000 people under your network. So once these 10,000 people invite people to join, so you are going to be making 5% of 600 naira. 5% of 600 naira, which is going to be 30 naira, times 10,000 people in your level 2. So that is 300,000 naira. You can see in your level 1, you will be making 60,000 naira. In your level 2, you'll be making 300,000 naira. So if you convert 300,000 naira to dollars, it's going to be, it's going to be $400. So that is $400 in your level 2. And so right now, in your level 1, you'll be making 60,000 naira, while in your level 2 you'll be making 300,000 naira, which is $400 if you convert it to dollar. So right now, just for inviting 100 people, that will invite 100 people, and you can do that. Like I told you, I said the first step that you need to do is to build your network, and the easiest way you can do that is by creating a group. Create a WhatsApp group, invite people to join. So that's your step 1. That is your step 1 of earning $1,000. Your step 1 of earning $1,000 in 30 days every month is create your network. Invite 100 people. Create a group. Invite 100 people to join CashBird with your invite link, and you will be making this amount. Now, let's go over to step 2, which is very important. To make money with CashBird, $1,000 every month. Step 2 is very important. As your network team are watching this video, they are going to be doing what you are doing. So in step 2, click to start step 2 on how to make increase your income and start making $1,000 every month. What you do, click on earn. It will take you to this page. Once you click on earn, it's going to take you to this page. Now once you are on this page, you will see all these banners that are flying here, right? You see all these banners. What you need to do, click on this particular banner here, scroll the banner, click on this particular banner here that says win 100%, go game, win 100%. So get more easy tasks, win 100%. So you are going to scroll down and click on this particular banner. Make sure it is this particular banner you click on. So you click on it. Once you click on it, it's going to take you to a special page where you are going to be getting faster coin and making faster money. So this is your step 2, and it is very, very important. I'm going to practically show you the kind of game that will earn you lots of diamonds, lots of CashBird diamonds. So once you click that particular banner, it's going to come here. All right, guys. So once you come to this page, once you click on that banner, it's going to open this page for you. And as soon as it opens this page, you can see if you say earn up to 1,361,600 coins. You will have offers that are in progress. It is not too late to complete them. So right now, what you do, you click on see all offers. So once you click on see all offers, it's going to line up all the offers that you can currently start. They are gaming offers that you can currently start making lots of coins that you can easily withdraw in naira and dollars to your PayPal account or to your bank. Currently, I am on this offer which says easy reach. So let me go to where all the list of the offers are listed. So it's going to practically bring you to this page. All right, guys. So as soon as you're on this page, on the earn coins offer page, what you are supposed to do is recommended that you look for offers that you can easily complete. Number 1, offer that you can easily complete. You can see some of them say easy, some says medium, some says hard offer. So you like this one, I say hard, this one I say easy. So, and also watch out for offers that have the highest coin that you can earn in millions. Easy offers that you can complete that you can earn in millions. For instance, like this now, it says John Hamster Hut is a very good offer. It's easy, and you practically be earning 1,770,080,000 coins. That's the 1.7 million CashBird diamond coins. So once you select this offer, for example, I'm going to click on it. So I am going for this offer. You are going to practically, this is what you're going to be doing. Use log into. No. This offer is not good alone because it requires you probably to purchase something. So do not select offers that will require you to purchase something. So what you do, you go back and choose another offer. Like, okay, I can see this offer. It says this offer is a loot play to earn, is multi-reward. So this is a good offer. This offer means that once you complete this offer, it's going to reward you in the app, loot play. It's going to reward you when you install the game. It's a log into the app, complete all the steps, and earn rewards. So you are going to be earning in 2 dimensions. You're going to be earning from the app itself, and you're also going to be earning from CashBird. You're going to be earning CashBird diamond. So if for me to start this offer, and you have to complete the offer in 8 days. And in 8 days, you have to complete 2 tasks in 8 days. And this will generate you 2.7 million diamond coins, which is a very good offer for you to take. So earn 5,000 coins for all offers. In the first of the task so I want to also advise you, please do not start multiple offers at the same time because you have limited number of days that you must complete this offer. If you didn't complete this offer within 8 days, you may lose all the coins. So you have just 8 days to complete this task. So what you do to start this task, you click on this green button here that says start your task. To start your task, you click this green button. It will take you to Play Store. So once it goes to Play Store, go to Play Store and download the app and then start playing the game. Once you download the app on Play Store, you start playing the game. And as soon as you start playing the game, your point will start rolling and counting. And then when all your network team members do the same, you are going to be earning coins. You are going to be earning 10% and 5% of their activities in coins. So right now, go to Play Store, download this game. Any offer that you have downloaded is going to appear in your offer board. That means offer. So to see all the offers that you have chosen, select this page and click on status. Click on status. Go to status. You can see I've selected 2 offers. This offer, also look for this offer. I say easy reach a debt. So this offer is very good. This task is very good. You can see I'm on task completed. I'm on day 2 right now. So I have 10 days left to complete this task. You install it. So like I told you, don't be piling offers that you cannot complete. Make sure, as you can see, I'm just on 2 offers. I'm just on 2 offers. So as soon as you come to this page, you click on complete offers. It will take you to your Play Store, where you are going to practically download the app. You can see, if you click on that button, you just select this just once. You click on open with Google Play Store, download the app, the gaming app, and start playing the game. As you are playing the game, it's going to be earning you coins. You are going to be making lots of coins from your activities. So I want you to jump right into this step 2. Start step 1. Step 1, like I told you, is to build your network. Step 2 is to start earning coins, start earning massive coins. So right now, when the 2 tasks that we are going to be that we have selected, that I want you to look for, is these 2 tasks. Once you go to your status, select them. Anyone you select, you go to your status, look for loot play, and start the app. It's going to, and start playing the game. It's going to earn you 2.7 million coins. And also start easy reach. This easy reach is going to generate for you about 1.7 million coins. So I want you to take this this step very seriously. So right now, let's calculate if 2.7, once you generate 2.7 million coins from your level 1, let's assume you generate 2.7 million coins from your level 1. Now 10% of 2.7 million coins is 270,000 coins. So if 100 people are going to be earning, that means you are going to be earning 270,000 from 100 people. 270,000 coin, 270,000 coin from 100 people. So times 100, that's 10% of 2.7 million. So that means your coin is going to be 27 million coins. So if you convert 27 million coins to CashBird income, it's a lot of money. All your network people that you have referred, first level 100 people, you are going to earn 10% from them. And then the second level, which is 10,000 people that are in your second level network, you are going to earn 5% of them. If you convert it to naira and dollar, it's a lot of money. And that is how you make $1,000 worth 750k in a month. Do not joke with this step. You can practically be earning more than that. Make sure that you take a game at a time, and make sure that you complete each of these the games that will generate you more massive coins. So I'll see you in my next video. Thank you very much. Make sure you share this video with your team, with your network, and as you are following the steps on this video, you will be seeing results. You will be earning lots of coins, which you can withdraw to your PayPal. You can withdraw coins to your PayPal. You can convert it to naira or dollars and withdraw to your PayPal. If you want to withdraw, you just click on this, and it will open your withdrawal page, and you will be able to withdraw your coin. And now, to view your coin reward, what you do is just to click here. You click here, and it will open your coin reward, and then you can be able to view all your coin, all the coin that is coming into your CashBird app. Thank you very much, and I wish you the best.